Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A grey and blue pallu with zigzag lines printed in the pink, and we have a deep grey color blouse piece, bluish grey. On the saree here is in brown and blue base, very elegant prints in green, and for the blue base we have pink used for printing. Excellent saree, beautiful color combination, very different and rare with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a very beautiful blue, indigo blue in a darker shade color pallu with white prints on it, half white used for the printing, and we also have zari lines. And here we have a green, a parrot green color blouse piece, plain one with the blue borders in one side. The saree here is in a beautiful parrot green base with dark green color prints. Beautiful concept. Very elegantly shuttle printing all over, and we have the indigo blue base for the zari borders in both sides. Simple and beautiful saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A beautiful green pallu, deep forest green shade pallu, and we have same color blouse piece with one side blue borders. A very different colored saree, elegant combination. The saree here is something between peach and skin color, very elegant shade, and on it the big leaf pattern is printed using multiple colors. The borders of the saree is also in the deep green. Excellent and different colored saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a dual blue color, Prussian blue as well as copper sulphate blue in the pallu with deep blue color, the Prussian blue color blouse piece, and one side we have pink borders. The saree here is in deep magenta shade with top and bottom we have the village pattern printed, and we also have the blues, the both dark blue as well as the light copper sulphate blue is given in the borders. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a blue base pallu with a skin color also, and we have royal blue prints in it, and we have a very beautiful teal blue color blouse piece. The body of the saree is completely in the skin and peach mixed shade pink, very different color with all over printed design, and we also have writing pattern printed, royal blue, red and green used for printing. The borders of the saree is also in green. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a pink saree with yellow prints. The pallu is also having yellow prints with very elegant zari lines. Same color blouse piece with temple yellow borders in the blouse piece also. The complete saree is having beautiful temple border and the butta design which is block printed using yellow. And we have the zari borders in golden color. Excellent pink, always demanded color with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu with pink and red color in the pallu. Prints in both red and pink also in cream color, and we have the pink blouse piece with one side block printed borders and red in the border. Saree have beautiful design, fully blue, very elegant Ananda blue shade with black printed in the borders, and we also have the red as well as pink in the lower border. Very elegant saree, different color combination and with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. Here we have a dual color pallu, yellow and green in the pallu along with block prints, and we have same green blouse piece with one side yellow borders. The saree here is in black base, the pallu extended here till here, and the body of the saree is black. The top and bottom in the cream base we have magenta color used for prints, and the border of the saree is also in green shade. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tussar fabric. A very beautiful teal blue color, grey and blue mixed color pallu and blouse piece. Prints in pink color, running color blouse piece here. All over the saree same color with prints alone in the contrast color. Cream, pink as well as yellow used for printing. A very different concept saree, elegant designing with authentic silk mark. Pure Tussar silk saree, premium quality hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink pallu with zari lines, and we have a very contrast black blouse piece with one side pink borders, very light and beautiful pink shade, something between magenta and the normal pink, and we have all over printed design in the saree. Fully it is printed using the rangoli design pattern, and we have zari borders also in the pink shade. The saree is in cream with prints in pink. Elegant one with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pallu, dark magenta pink color, magenta pink with mild black mix, and we have black block prints used in the pallu with zari lines, and we have a very contrast yellow blouse piece, goldish yellow color. The saree here is in very deep magenta and black mixed color, almost a purplish violet it is, with beautiful design. Black and yellow is also given in the lower half, which is given for the blouse piece also. Very beautiful and contrast color nature saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid wash boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a purple shade color saree with green prints in this pallu, having beautiful elephants and peacocks, and we also have zari lines in the pallu, and we have same color blouse piece. It's a very elegant pink and purple mixed shade color of the saree, as well as the prints are very elegant. Green and yellow used for the printing. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful pink saree pallu with cream in the prints, and we also have zari lines. Same deep magenta pink color blouse piece with one side grey borders. The saree here is in beautiful grey, very elegant dark grey color with birds prints in pink, and we also have cream base for the creepers design. Elegant one with the zari borders also in the pink base. Excellent saree with authentic silk mark. Pure Tassa silk saree, premium quality, hand block printed with zari borders done on a premium acid washed boiled Tassa fabric. Here we have a beautiful multicolored pallu. We have rusty orange, pink as well as green in the pallu, along with the block prints and zari lines. And a very contrast green. It's a beautiful olive green shade color blouse piece with one side the rusty orange color borders. The complete saree is having the green border for the base of the zari border, and here we have a beautiful colors in the saree. The mid part of the saree is something in a reddish rusty orange color. On the top and the bottom we have pink prints, and the between portion we have the cream portion that is having a green and yellow prints. Beautiful saree, multiple printing, and the colors of the saree is really beautiful with authentic silk.